All right, folks, super quick video on this very rainy day of changing a wheel speed sensor on your BMW E9X, E90, E91, 92, 93. It's all should be the same process for the most part. The part number did change throughout the production run of the E9X chassis 3 Series, so definitely be careful of that. It was a bit chunkier, I think, earlier in model years, and it became more slim later on. ATE should be the OE supplier, but you can find ones made by Bosch and other companies as well. I have an ATE one to replace. But if we go down to your wheel well, we can see, you can't really see where the sensor would go. What you have to do is kind of follow the harness and see where it goes. You can see if we look sort of down in there, kind of hard to show on camera. We can see just above the upper control arm or the tension strut, there is the wheel speed sensor. It's actually only attached in there by a 5mm Allen screw, and then the whole kind of sensor will wiggle its way out. Be very careful and apply even pressure around the outside of the sensor, as you don't want to break it in the house. That could cause lots of problems and make what should be a very quick job into a very long one. So definitely put some silicone spray in that area if you haven't removed it recently, and gently ease it on out of there with either a flathead or a plastic pry tool, my recommendation. If we follow the wheel speed sensor wire up, you can see it's actually kind of held in place by 2 grommets, one by the shock assembly, or strut assembly rather, and also one sort of closer to the electrical connector over there. We can see if we open up this black plastic box, which be careful if you're under the car, this will drop a bunch of gravel on your face. But definitely open this guy up and you can actually pull the connector out of that black housing. I've pulled the sensor out of the grommets, or at least the wiring for it, and I've pulled the connector out of that black box. If we press on the tab at the very end of that connector, the entire connector should release. And you should feel an O-ring sort of release as it comes undone to keep it weatherproof. Once you break loose the 5mm Allen, just go ahead and take it out by hand. It'll be nice and easy. And because I recently took the sensor out, it should kind of pop out relatively easily. But like I said, you may need to use some force in your case. And there we go, it comes out just like so. And we can follow the rest of the wire and pull it out of here. And the installation, as you guessed it, the exact reverse of how we took the old one out. I would recommend putting some silicone spray where these grommets are, because these new rubber pieces for the grommets are very, very stiff. And it's a bit more difficult to slide those in there without some elbow grease, so just be mindful of that. Now we can go ahead and clear codes and make sure the wheel speed sensors are actually reading correctly. I had absolutely no response from this one, so hopefully now we're good to go.